Good afternoon, welcome. We are back here at Sensibility for an unboxing and another new fragrance house. This is Vivamor Parfums. I'm pretty sure these are a brand from the UAE, but they have a house of perfumers to make for them. These are, I think they're all extrait to parfum as well, so they are strong. And this one is called Creme Exquis. On the back here it says born out of a Latin influenced blend of words, Viva and Amor, meaning life and love. Vivamor Parfums. So this one is from Bertrand. What's his name? Oh yeah. To the unboxing. Oh. Nice little letter here. It's from Bertrand Duchefort or Duchefort, master perfumer. And it has the notes there too. And that's the beautiful bottle. Really nice presentation, nice box. Nice weighty bottle with a balayage glass. You see how it fades. Nice metal lid. So yeah, Brazilian orange, iris, black cherry at the top. Then we have heart of orchid, chocolate and caramel. And then a base of Tahitian vanilla, coffee, honey, oak tree absolute, and Ceylon cinnamon. So this is like a gourmand iris. Pressurized atomizer. I've smelt these obviously in store. I got this one from Oligarch here in Melbourne. So the opening, it's a beautiful sweet iris, and then it has those kind of gourmand nuances that kind of like flicker around the iris. It's not overly sweet, which is I like, but there is definitely a gourmand aspect to it. When it dries down and the iris starts to kind of settle, then it kind of becomes a bit more of a woody gourmand with a slightly bit of spice sort of flickering in the background. But it's been a while since I bought an iris fragrance, one that's iris heavy like this one. And it's very different to all the irises that I currently have as well, which is why I purchased it. This house has a lot of gourmand fragrances. Some of them that I smelt were like literally baked cakes straight out of the oven, or very chocolatey and cakey and sweet and things like that, and cookies and all the rest. So it's very interesting house. Lots of, as I said, lots of gourmands. So if you're after a gourmand or something like that, then check out Vivamor. Pretty decently priced. I think this was around the 240ml for a straight to parfum 100ml, which is a good price. And it's not a cloying iris, it's really nicely done. It's quite opulent too, it's quite classy, very classy. But I'll give you one more look at the bottle. There we have Creme Exquis. And the black cherry isn't too sickly either. Beautiful fragrance, really nice, really interesting. As I said, it changes when it dries down and that, really nice. Vivamor Parfums. Get your head around it, get into it, and I'll have another new house for you next time. See you then.